Mene, tekel, upharsin. These words had a specific meaning. Everybody knew that mene meant to be numbered. Right? Tekel referred to an old Hebrew word, shekel, which actually means amounts or to be weighed. Parsin or upharsin sounded the same as Perez, which referred to the Persians. But they could not connect the dots. So God revealed to Daniel what this meant. And Daniel said to the king, verse 26, here is what these words meant. Mene, God has numbered the days of your reign and brought it to an end. Tekel, you have been weighed on the scales and found wanting. Perez, your kingdom is divided and given to the Medes and the Persians. Nobody knew what it meant, but Daniel did. And he explained this to the king. Your life has been judged. You have been weighed and found too light. And we so love when preachers say to us, it's not about works, it's not about what you've done, it's all about Jesus. And yes, Jesus paid for it all. Our works can't save us, but because He saved us, our life needs to testify about what we believe in. We will be weighed